Foot Solutions, it's like a pharmacy for the foot, where we not only have comfort footwear, but we also have retail products like socks and potions and lotions that are going to be healthy for your foot to help you keep your foot healthy. Now what I'd like to do is start off with the darn good deal that we have, and that is we sit you down and we actually have a complimentary foot exam where we examine every aspect of your foot. We are not doctors, so we do not diagnose, but what we do is we have highly trained people that understand the foot and the biomechanics of it, and we get enough people coming in that doctors, from their doctor, that tells us what the issue may be. The other thing that we do is we actually do an amazing balance test to show you what the difference would be with or without arch supports. And then we also do a foot scan. Now this machine over here is a digitizer. It digitally does a foot scan of your foot and shows a mapping of your foot to show pressure points and to also show where you need support. And then it comes up with a digital scan of your foot to show where we might need to fill in. What this is going to do in an arch support, it's going to help relieve pressures of the knees, hips, and lower back and give you great comfort. It's going to help areas with hammer toes, bunions, and plantar fasciitis or heel spurs, some of the many common things that could be wrong with your foot. Eventually we'll end up with a product that looks something like this that's going to help support the amazing foot, which is 26 bones, 33 joints, and over 100 tendons and ligaments. So what that's going to do is support, this is a biomechanical piece, custom biomechanical, which is actually going to help bring you into proper function of the foot again. We actually sit down with you in a non-weight bearing position so that you're sitting and we're capturing the full arch of your foot as it is. And then what we do after that is we actually go and start talking to you after we've done the exam. We watch how you walk. Most of us are what we call pronators, meaning that we roll in, which puts great pressure on the ankles and the knees and the lower back. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually watch how you walk and assess that, and then start talking to you about the wonderful physiological footwear that we have. Over here is a great shoe that we have called the Chung Shi shoe. This actually has an automatic, what we call gait pattern, which means it helps you to walk properly. It has a roll bar that's going to help circulate blood and also exercise that arch. And it has a posture alignment in the back that's going to throw you in automatic posture alignment. So when this shoe rocks, it's going to help you walk properly again. It's going to help posture alignment, and it's going to help blood flow and exercise that arch. And with this shoe, there is no magic pill for losing weight, but there's a magic shoe. You burn up to 3 times as many calories in this shoe as you would in a normal walking routine shoe. The other products that we have are just amazing for men and women. We have flip-flops with arch supports built in them. We would normally not carry flip-flops, but because they have arch supports in them, we carry them because we recommend that people do not walk barefoot. And then we have women's and men's amazing sandals, handmade German sandals that have a removable footbed so that you can put your custom insert in or keep this one in to help support the arch. And then great motion control footwear from Brooks, New Balance, Spira, companies that have areas where they're built up in here to help protect the foot if you roll in, that have what we call a shank in them, meaning that it's solid in this area and only flexes at the toe where your toe flexes. Has a solid heel for motion control so you're not moving all over the place. Great shoes. And this shoe right here actually has springs in it to relieve 20% of the pressure off of the weight of the impact that you're putting on the concrete. And you do that 10,000 times a day. We step as an average for a person, and this is going to reduce that by 20%. And then one of the more amazing shoes that Foot Solutions carries is the Extensible Stretch Walker. This shoe has stretchable leather in the right places to help the shoe conform to their foot. It's very comfortable and it has these sensors in here that mimic walking on sand. It actually helps you with this sensor here to get in posture alignment And as they say, it's probably the most comfortable shoe on the planet according to their line in their commercial. So at Foot Solutions, we just have many products and shoes for men and women, whether it be technological footwear like the weight loss shoe or the exercise shoe with the Changxi and the Extensible, or running shoes, women's and men's sandals, men's dress shoes, and men's work boots. So please come on out to Foot Solutions for your complimentary foot exam and your gait analysis and your balance test and your scan, and we look forward to helping you stay better on your feet.